Howdy y'all, this is Jeff here, and in these tutorials I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to make a wiki page for a Google Code project. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining a little bit of the background information, like what a Google Code page is, what a Google Code project is, some versioning system stuff. If you guys don't really care about the background information, feel free to skip ahead, do a couple tutorials, and we'll actually be getting into like the wiki syntax and how to write the page there. But if this is the kind of stuff that you're into, feel free to listen. So Google Code is a free website provided by Google where people can keep track of their open source projects. Now, Google Code kind of does it has a couple nice services that you get to use. First of all, they basically give you a free website where you can put information about your project. You can put your code up. They also provide free versioning systems. These versioning systems there are three main ones. There's Subversion, Mercurial, and Git. Those are the three versioning systems that Google Code uses. Google provides servers, basically a place where you can keep your code and access it at any time. So real quick, I'm just going to show you like what does a wiki page even look like. Here is the wiki page that I had to make when I was in senior design. They came to me, they were like, oh, we want you to make this wiki page. It's going to be awesome. And I got on here and I was like, I don't know what to do. So after a couple weeks of banging my head against the wall, I finally figured out that it wasn't that hard. I just needed a little explanation. So hopefully I can provide that to you guys. So this is this is the wiki page that I ended up creating for our team. And in this, we've got a couple things. Over here, we got this navigation bar that I made. It kind of has like, a list of the categories. Like here's our research phase of the project. Here's, the front lighting page of this nice little table of contents. We can jump to different parts of the page. This was all the research that my friend did for his part of the project, which was the front lighting. And the final project, when we finally turned it in, here we embedded this video in the page. This is really cool. It's doing its thing here. That's our final project. We made the shield, which was the whole point of the thing that we were doing. So this is a wiki page, and this is what I'm going to be teaching you how to make. Now, a couple quick things. If you know HTML, that's going to help. If you don't know HTML, don't worry about it. I'll explain everything that you need to know concerning HTML for the wiki page. Now, first let me explain this. Wiki pages are written in this thing called like a wiki markup language. It's not written in HTML, but you can use the HTML in the wiki pages, and it'll help you do a couple things. And like I said, I'll explain all that when we get to it. The other thing that would be really helpful to know is Subversion, Git, or Mercurial. Those are those versioning control systems that I was telling you guys about. If you know those already, that's going to help. If you don't worry about it. I didn't know any of that before I started this. I'm going to explain it all to you. I'm definitely going to be going into Subversion, because I love Subversion, and Mercurial, because I was forced to use Mercurial. I might even do Git, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to cover those two. And lastly, if you can learn to make a good wiki page, you're pretty much guaranteed to be the most popular person you know. And the chicks dig it. I mean, look at this thing. This is just awesome. So there, that is my only guarantee. So hope you guys enjoyed these tutorials. hopefully I can help you, ease you of some of the pain that I had to go through when I was learning this stuff. So we'll see you in the next one.